Today, in Ontario, the production and distribution of electricity is in transition. Our environmental goals demand we move away from burning fossil fuels and develop new ways of generating and distributing electricity. Driving this change in Ontario is the Independent Electricity System Operator, commonly referred to as the IESO. The IESO manages the power system in real time, enabling conservation and designing a more efficient electricity marketplace. To encourage alternative systems of generation and different fuels, the IESO has implemented many incentives. One of the more popular incentives is the Industrial Conservation Initiative. This program rewards companies for having the ability to take any or all of their electrical load off the grid when needed on peak days. This program alone has the ability to lower your energy bill by as much as 40 to 60%. While there are incentives to lower demand, there are also opportunities to create and supply electricity to the grid. Current IESO policy emphasizes the need for industry participation in the on-site generation of electricity. Rather than investing in new power plants or costly grid upgrades, the IESO has developed a system to control demand. The IESO is now incentivizing the way that businesses and industry use electricity. They have recently introduced financial incentives for companies to install their own on-site power generation. Installing a natural gas power plant is a clear choice, with natural gas power plants already providing 27% of Ontario's electricity supply. On-site industrial power generation can help lower costs and correct technical issues for companies that depend on the grid. Furthermore, a carbon-neutral solution is available to generate renewable credits that offset carbon created by the generator. For businesses seeking reliability and proven energy cost reduction, natural gas is the clear winner. The future is clear. The IESO will financially reward you if you have the capability to take your load offline and produce electricity as needed. What are you waiting for? Contact us today to arrange a no-charge analysis by our consortium of industry experts.